Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Capital One to redeem miles, complete guide step by step clearly. To connect your Capital One account to redeem miles, begin by opening the Capital One mobile app or website. Log into your Capital One account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the rewards section of your account dashboard. Look for options related to redeeming miles or rewards. Choose the specific type of redemption you're interested in, such as travel, cashback, or gift cards. If you're opting for travel redemption, click on the Travel or Book a Trip option. Select the destination, travel dates, and number of travelers for your trip. Review the available flights or hotel options that you can book with your miles. If you find a suitable option, select it to proceed to the booking confirmation. Confirm your selection and ensure that your miles are applied to the total. If needed, enter any additional payment information for taxes or fees that are not covered by your miles. For cashback or gift card redemptions, choose the respective options from the rewards menu. Select the desired amount or value of the cashback or gift card. Follow the prompts to complete your redemption and receive your cashback or gift card. Review the transaction confirmation to ensure that your miles have been properly deducted. Keep track of your remaining miles after the transaction for future use. If you encounter any issues, consult the help section or customer support for guidance. Once everything is completed, you're all set to enjoy the rewards from your Capital One miles redemption. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.